Hi, this is Hardball Retro. Welcome to the Retro Dome. Today's game is Bo Jackson Baseball. This was published in 1991 by Data East, and in 1992 for the Amiga was published by Mindscape. And in Europe, the game was retitled as TV Sports Baseball. So if you're trying to track this one down, be aware that there's two different titles depending on the system and location. So there's also a Bo Jackson Baseball for the Nintendo Entertainment System, which we may cover at a later date. I did encounter some issues getting this one running. I initially tried to get it working in my Amiga emulator, had a number of issues with the controls, so I bailed on that one. Tried to get the PC one running, could not get it working in VGA mode in DOSBox, so we are running this version in EGA. Also noticed some issues with audio. I didn't hear a whole lot of sound effects when I was trying to play the game. But when I went up on YouTube and found similar playthrough videos for the PC version, I did not hear a lot of sound effects either. So there's some intro music, and then to be honest, we'll see if we hear any other sounds during the game. So let's get started. Okay, let's see here. Where we go? Exhibition, League Play, Stats menu. We're just going to do an exhibition game. One player. We're going to do California against Kansas City. Done. Done. So there are three stadiums to choose from. We have Thorley Park, Comte Coliseum, and Spencer Stadium. So I thought to myself, those are interesting names, right? Well, the programmer listed on the credits on Moby Games, the programming was done by Nigel Spencer. And let's see, the graphic artist was Russell Comte. And the executive producer was Denny Thorley. So there you go. Now, we're going to choose, let's do Thorley Park. Sure. I ran through an inning or two of this. I wasn't a big fan of the way the controls are set up here. But let's see if we can fake our way through this. All right, so you've got the ball bouncing around the bottom of the screen. So what you need to do is I think the joystick up was changeup, joystick down was fastball, and then the two sides are breaking balls. curveballs. Um, and then you select, you know, based on where the bouncing ball is, you press the button when you want to release the pitch. And then I think it still bounces for a little more time to kind of confuse the opponent. Oh, 107 miles an hour. 103. Let's try a changeup. Whoa. Okay. Totally misplayed that guy. Oh, pitcher has to field it. I think it's going to be a long day in the field for me here. Let's move him off the plate a little bit. The old 41 mile an hour change. Heater outside. Misplayed that one. Throw home. Okay, got a little music there. So, unless I misconfigured something or did something wrong, not a whole lot of sound effects going on. Alright, and I'm having some control issues, which is not helping matters. And I'm quickly down to nothing. Two and one count. Right down the plate. 2 and 2. Oh, hello. 3-0. Okay, at bat, block. Held him to a single. I'm going to be lucky if I field a ball here, it looks like. Mercy rule, maybe, in effect today. We're down 4-0 here, with nobody out. There's a strike. Oh, that hit him. Game was over before it started. Oh, swings at some garbage. I think he went around on that one. Oh, 1 and 2. Come on. I think he swung there, dude. Full count, bases loaded. This is not good. Fouled back. Do it again. Oh my. Grand slam. Well, at least I cleared off the bases. So as you can see, this is pretty much arcade action. There's no real strategy to this. I mean, looks like you can bunt. Can we get a strikeout? No, we can't. Can we get an out? Can we throw the ball in? We're just not having any luck here. Okay, so why? Hang on 1 second here. Hello. All right, I'm just gonna end this game here because this is frustrating. Not a fan of this one, but hey, if you want to give it a try, go for it. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Keep playing ball. Take care.